welcome back to my science channel. Today we're going to make something called Unpoppable Bubbles. Well, they're just like normal bubbles that you would blow on a hot sunny day, but these will last a lot longer. Okay, are you ready to get making these unpoppable bubbles? Let's get started. Okay, first I'm gonna pour some purified water, and we're gonna do about a cup. Then I'm gonna pour some glycerin in. Now I'm gonna pour some of our dish soap and stir this around. You're gonna go chill this in the fridge for about 1 hour. Let's try to bounce some. Look at that! Oh my gosh. Well, they don't last forever, but it's cool that you can bounce them. Oh, they're staying on there. Look at that. Gotta get more. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my gosh. Oh. They're trying to stick to me. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This thing's so cool. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let's see if we can hold them on our hand. Oh. You can experiment with different bubble ones with your unpoppable bubbles. Oh. This thing's so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh. Trying to stick to me. Why did we use all these ingredients to make an unpoppable bubble? Let's go over the 3 things that we added. We added purified water. Why did you do that? Tap water has a bunch of minerals in it. If you add that to your bubble solution, it will make it more unpredictable and more likely to pop quickly. So that's why we used purified water. So the second thing that we added was glycerin. The glycerin helps it hold on to the water as long as possible. And what was the third thing that we did? Right, we chilled the water in the refrigerator. Cold water will evaporate slower than the warm water. Everything we're doing is to prevent the water from evaporating, because that's what makes the bubble pop. Make sure your solution is properly mixed before you blow your bubbles. You may need to remix it, even though you mixed it when you took it out of the fridge. My bubble fairies, grab your bubble wands and let us know if you make your unpoppable bubble. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.